Hello everyone. In this video we're going to work with HTML forms and some inputs. Without more to say, let's get started. First, we need to create our HTML document and its structure. We'll start writing a form tag with two attributes. The first is called action and the second is the method. First, the HTML document and later the form. In this case, we need to add the HTML tag. We add a head tag and a title. In this case, it's 03 working with forms and inputs. Later the body, and we add here our form tag. We have the action. The action attribute is the destination where the form data will be sent. In this case, we add 03.html, and the method attribute we can write the get or post method. These are the ways in which we can send the data. In this case, we are going to work with the get method. To work with the post method, we will have to create a server that allows us to receive data. For that reason, we will only work with the get method. We have just created a form. Now we must add the inputs that the user will use, for example, when logging in, or sending data, creating an account, etc. In this case, we will work with the most important inputs that are used in all kinds of things. In this case, we are going to build a simple sign up form. We will add an input type text that we can use to ask the user for information. First, for the input type text, we add a attribute placeholder, and here we add a username. Then we write an input type email that will help us to ask the user for the email. In this case, we're going to put input double point and email, and we delete this name attribute and ID. In this case, we add a placeholder, and inside a placeholder, the value will be email address. Now we are going to add two input type password, one that is for the user password and the other is to confirm the password. Input type password, a placeholder and password. Another input type password, and in the placeholder is, in this case, will be confirm password. Now we add an input type submit with a value submit. In this case, this is an input type submit and the value will be submit. Go live and wait for the extension. Now you can see the username, input, the email address, the password and confirm password, and the submit. Finally, you can support me subscribing and activating the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching.